kinky edges look like on a kinky curly wig. Before we install this curly wig, I just want to show y'all a little bit of my wig prep, I guess. So I already did a scalp treatment, washed my hair, and blow dried it, and this is the braid down. I really can't braid that good, and I'm tender-headed, so we're doing the best we can with what we got. So not only am I tender-headed, I also have seborrheic dermatitis. I'm slicking my edges back, but I just don't want to put too much product on my edges because it'll cause me to have a flare-up, and it'd be real itchy. Yeah, there we go. Just a tad bit of hairspray, just to... The new wig I purchased, like, isn't she beautiful? Look at that color. What color is this? Her name is Latira, and she's in the color Sandy Blonde, and she is 16 inches. This is the inside of the wig. This is how much lace you get. Curly unit like this, I don't plan on wearing the part anyway. So we're going to do the kinky edges on this Sandy Blonde hair. Isn't it giving Beyonce? Like, you know that's why I got it. When I saw this wig, I was like, Beyonce. So we got it. Beyonce 2002 neo soul era. Y'all know what I'm talking about. You know that era. I think she looks really pretty. Some of y'all probably want a root. You know, you can always add makeup if you want a root. Typically, I don't really like a root, but when I look at Beyonce's hair, she definitely has like a soft, like little brown root. So maybe I'll do that. I don't know. But overall, this hair is so pretty. Like, ideally, I think I would just kind of wear it like tossed over in a way. Now, I could cut some pieces just to kind of frame my face, but part of me don't even want to do that because as you can see, like that blonde color, the more lighter blonde is at the tips, and I just love the little curls. I don't know. I want this hair to be kind of standing up. I want it to be like more froed out. Maybe we can add the crimper and add more volume up top, and it'll kind of stand up a little bit. And I can just tell that this hair is going to look even better when it gets older and it has like less of a uniform curl. It's kind of like when you do wash and go, and like by like the 5th day, that's probably like the best it'll look because it's like froed out, frizzed out. It's lost a little bit of definition, but it just looks so good. So maybe we can make this look like day 5 hair, maybe. So this is the parting you get. You can barely see it. You will probably have to add a little makeup there to see the defined part. This don't look bad as the part in the middle, but I don't know if I really want a part in the middle. I'm more of a toss to the side type of girl. I just think it would look better on my oblong face, oblong. But let's go ahead and cut the lace off and do some customizations. You gotta coordinate. The hair clipped out the way. The lace does look a little tinted. It's kind of like a brownish, like a tan, very light tan shade. Sometimes I do use like a little glue directly in front of my hairline. The wig back a little bit like that. Just a tad bit of glue. Put it in the front like that. I'm really not going on my hairline. Just a small little glue. This is like one of those installs you just want to do something like real quickly. Like you're not going to wear it for that long, or you're only going to wear it for like a day. Sometimes I do this. I especially like doing this with like around the ear tab. Sometimes the ear tab be the first thing to pop up. So you're supposed to wait till the glue is a little clear. I think it melts better when it's like almost clear. And then pull it in front of my hairline, press it, mush it in like this, brush it, press it on so that it sticks. Cut the extra lace off, and then we'll go in with the lace melting spray. Get that jagged edge so that it blends even better. I'm going in with the lace melting spray, and I like doing this method sometimes because I feel like it has a stronger hold when you combine the spray with a little light layer of glue. It also makes it easier for me to customize a hairline. I think the spray did a really good job at like melting the lace. You can see a little bit of my real hairline peeking through, but I kind of feel like it makes it look a little bit more realistic, like there is a dark root and then it fades into the blonde. As it is, I think it looks pretty good. I do think I want to go in with and do something to the hairline though, just a little bit, because I don't particularly like this hairline on me. Even though it's a fro, And most of it's probably gonna be my face anyway. I don't know, but I might do a little bit of plucking just to kind of have more of a widow's peak, maybe thin out the edges a little bit, pull some out, and just kind of customize it. So I'm gonna put the band on and just kind of melt it a little bit, and I'll come back. We got the makeup on. I did do one side of my hairline. So as you can see, this side of my hairline, I already plucked it. Trying to make it more like a widow's peak. Pluck these hairs out and try not to rip the lace, you know. This wig only has like a slither of lace, so I don't have to do too much plucking, but the plucking I did do made a world of difference. And for the edges, you know, I love using a razor. So I'm just kind of taking the loose hairs, I'm brushing them down and creating a lot more shorter pieces. I'm curious to see what the crimper will look like on this. I want to see what does it look like. Oh my god, I look a mess. Hold on. Let me fix it. Hold on. What did the kinky edges look like on a kinky curly wig? Oh no. Let's see what it does. Can you even really tell? Let's see. Like, maybe I should do it on dark hair. Oh, I see it. You got like a little, I would say it looks roughly the, I would say it looks kind of the same. Let's see what the crimper does do for the root. So that's what I really want to see. Let's see if I just, oh, I don't know if you can see that, but it definitely did something. It definitely gave it a little bit more volume. We're gonna let it cool in that position, and we're gonna do the other side. Y'all, I feel like a scientist. I'm a scientist. I know that was like a slight difference, but I really do love that little kink there. I mean, it's really wavy, and I don't have to do this, but I like how it looks, so we're gonna continue. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. And you know what? I haven't seen not one girl with this wig yet. I do prophesy that when I post this video, I'm gonna sell the wigs out. That's my prophecy. I prophesize that. So I'm gonna put that up in here, and we're gonna crimp it real hard, you know. Crimp it hard, like, you know how you get your chicken hard, fried chicken hard. Crimp it hard, crimp it real hard. I want my crimps, I want my crimps well done. Oh my god. Yeah, and that's kind of, oh, can you see it? There we go. So that's the area we did right there. I'm gonna do it again though. 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10. Woo. And just kind of leave it up like that, and I'm gonna let it cool like that, because cool like that. I'm cool like that. I'm cool like that. I'm playing now, but let it cool like that, because when you do that, it'll kind of give the height that you want, if you want it like bigger. So I'm gonna let it cool like that. And I'm trying not to add more frizz, but honestly, I told y'all earlier, the more frizz, honestly, is just gonna look better. It's just gonna look even more natural, because you know how curls do, they're not all, and when they're all uniform, that's when it look like, you know, kind of fake. That's when you give Ice Spice, like, the conspiracy is that she be wearing a wig. That's why it be perfectly, like, you know, curled. This is an experiment. You know, and I'm doing this for Black science. You know, Black History Month around the corner, so I gotta come to y'all with my new patent technology, okay? My patent technology. This is for Black science. But we just gonna keep doing it like row after row. I think that this color will look good on everybody. And if you scared of it like not having no roots, you know, you can color it. You can like add a little bit of root with a Sharpie. But if you do this, I would say you do this after you crimp your edges. You go back in and then color a little bit. And just leave it up. So we're taking it row by row with the crimper, making sure we really press that hair into it, because you want it to be super defined. Now let it breathe. Let it breathe. Let's try to separate a little bit. Okay. Now, is it a huge difference? I don't, what y'all think? And just kind of fluff it out a bit. And you kind of got it like, what y'all think? Y'all let me know. This is an experiment. One thing I hate that girls do when they wear their curly, like wear a curly wig, I really don't like when y'all use that hot comb and flatten it like this, and then the curls, like, they come out like that. If you wear a curly wig, Why you not wearing it curly? I ain't gonna lie, I did fall subject to that style like back in what, 2022, but y'all, it is 2026. Stop it. Okay, look, I think that did something. Look how that look. Isn't that pretty? Like, it's like highlighted. You kind of see like the little, that's, now if you see me out in the streets and I got this wig on and you hear me lying because somebody asked me this is my hair, don't say nothing. Don't say nothing. Because for the time being, that's my hair. So yeah, girl, I got my hair custom colored. I just can't see myself wearing no middle part. I'm just not about to put no look concealer right there so you can, I'm not doing that. I'm just not. I refuse. I'm not doing that. I'm not eating that. I'm not eating that. Put that thing down, flip it and reverse it. Follow directions. When I saw this wig, I envisioned myself giving, go, member! Or like just something, I don't know. So far, I am loving the crimped roots, and now I'm curious. You see it there. I kind of want to try this for the back of the wig. You know, for like the very nape of your neck. I'm trying to make some edges in the back. We should do that, right? I'm going in with a teasing brush on the root just to make it more voluminous. Really just to kind of get rid of that part because I don't want it. That's what I wanted. And then we can hit it with some hairspray. And I think it looks so beautiful. Sam, blow your horn now. Come on, Sam, blow your horn now. He said, I like this. Yeah, I didn't want to disturb the curl too much, but honestly, now that I'm playing with it and creating the frizz, it looks so natural. It looks real. Foxy Cleopatra, and I'm a whole lot of one. This man is totally different. But this right here, y'all might want to get this for the summer. I haven't seen the back. Maybe I should turn around so y'all can see what it looked like. So this the back. And she's probably way more like perfect in the back, but let's see what she look like with a different outfit. I'm gonna put some clothes on. This is the finished look. Now I did go in and I fluffed it some more and I had to have some hairspray because I told you I wanted to be like vroom, you know, like you don't have to wear it like this, but this is just how I would wear it. And I just sprayed some Gots to Be because it's a strong hairspray. Spray a little more, take some up top, spray, spray, spray. And I just feel like it just gives editorial. It gives like, it's like I'm about to have a photo shoot. Y'all probably like, girl, I ain't with it that big. Well, it's cute. Like you don't play with me. You know this is cute. And this is the back. Now I did like fluff out the back some more because it was just a little too uniform for me. Strumming my pain. This is very, very, very much on brand for the like early 2000s, like 2002, 2003 to 2005 probably. I don't even know. Neo Soul was in the building. And if you don't want to wear it like that, say you just want to have it flopped over. Say you want it to the side, maybe you can wear it like that. Or maybe to the side, maybe this side. If you want it like that, you can. You can have poof there if you want to. It looks, look, this looks like it could be my hair. Or if you wanted it like flop down. Say you wanted it flop down. More flop down, kind of, you know. This is pretty too. Like I would still wear it like this as well. This is cute. This is what the edges look like. I would say it looks very natural. You see it added like a little widow's peak. We kind of like thinned it out here. We have more of the hair right here in the center. I cannot wait until I get the ginger one. Ooh. I just know she's gonna eat. It's gonna look so pretty. Beautiful, like, it's giving half and half. Through this journey of discovery, finding you and finding me, that I have someone special who brings out the joy inside of me, inside of me. You can become whatever you want, that's the way you want to be. You and me. Right? Wouldn't you like that? I look like I need an incense. One of them incense. But like, what's the name of the incense? Pussy. I'm playing. No, but y'all know when y'all go to the beauty supply store, like them incense be having them crazy names like Sex on the Beach, Pussy. I'm like, what? Who wants the house smelling like that? What does that smell like? Anyway, but like, look y'all, come on. only thing I almost kind of wish that they took the lighter blonde just a little further up. I just want a little bit more of this on the root, but other than that, I think this hair is gorgeous. Do you see Latira? Get you a Latira. I love when y'all leave suggestions in the comment section, so let me know, what do you want to see next?